My name is Professor Ian Fraser. I'm an immunologist and co-creator of one of the world's first cancer-preventing vaccines. I've been working with the science of vaccination for nearly 50 years, and today I'd like to share some knowledge with you.
Ko hingoa ko Professor Ian Fraser, pia ko immunologist, mo to ko ni au no fa o taha nga fuafua huhu malu'i amamani ki he kansa. Ko ngā ue mo sa nisi huhu malu'i I he taue ni e mei ni mga fulu, pia hi ahoni o ko whakaamu ke wahewahe atu hailo e nihi mo ki mautolu.
Is a relatively new disease, and COVID-19 vaccines have been developed quickly. Understandably, there remain some questions and concerns about the new vaccines. Vaccines have been extensively tested by Australia's health regulator, the Therapeutic Goods Administration, or TGA, and we can be confident in them for a number of reasons. They have undergone extensive clinical trials to gather sufficient data for the TGA to assess the vaccine's safety and effectiveness, and passed rigorous testing.
Ko COVID taha hiwa ko mahak fo ouia. Pia ko ngā huhu malu'i COVID taha hiwa ne wawe hono whau. Mahela beo kia e ngahi whehu I mo hohaa e ni ihi kau ki he huhu malu'i fo ou. Ko lahi a hono tesi he kau whaitu ne a Australia ki he mo ui Therapeutic Goods Administration be DGA a ngahi huhu malu'i. Pia lawa ke tau whalala kia te nginau tolu I ngahi uhinga. Kua fōu a ngahi huhu malu'i I ngahi ahi I whakakliniki ke mao a ngahi teita whiunga ke awe ki he DGA. Pia nau siwi aki ai hao mo ola lelei a huhu malu'i. Pia kua nau pāsi I he ngahi tesi whewheka.
Vaccines are injected into your body. They do not remove anything from your body, and they do not change your genes or DNA. COVID-19 vaccines teach your body to recognize and fight the COVID-19 virus without giving you the illness. They do not contain a live COVID-19 virus, and you cannot get COVID-19 from having the vaccines. They have been demonstrated to be highly effective at preventing death and serious illness from COVID-19 throughout the world. In fact, evidence suggests they're even more effective than previously thought. If you have questions or concerns about getting the vaccine, always ensure you get information you can trust from a reliable source. Unfortunately, there is false information spreading online about the COVID-19 vaccines. To help you identify false information, here are some simple tips. Look closely. Does the information seem trustworthy? And is it coming from an expert? You can help stop the spread of false information by checking before sharing anything online. For accurate evidence-based information, visit health.gov.au or tga.gov.au.
O ku hoi ki hosino a ngahi huhu malu'i. O ku ikai ke nau to'o e ki nau tolu ha mea me hosino, pe a ku ikai ke nau liliu ho whaunga sino tuku whakaholo pe DNA. O whakahino hino e ngahi huhu malu'i COVID tahiwa a hosino, ke ne whakatoka ngā I mo ne fuhui ai COVID tahiwa ta e tene ai koe ke puke. O ku ikai ke iai hawailas COVID tahiwa I he huhu malu'i. Pea he ikai te ke mao ai COVID tahiwa I hana huhu malu'i koe. Ua os whakamo o ni ai tu unga maa o lunga e ola lelei e ngahi malu'i I ai mate mo puke lahi me he COVID tahiwa I maamani kotoa. Ko hono mo o ni, ko ngahi whakamo o ni ko mau, o kune whakatu umai ai lahi ange ne ola lelei whakahoa ki he mea ne uwhai mua ki whai e whakaukau ki ai. Ka pau o kui ai hao ngahi whehu I pe hoha a kau ki he huhu malu'i, whakapapau I maupe o kuke mau ai whakamatala te ke whalala ki ai me he ngahi mau anga tala Falala'anga. Me apango ka kui ai ngahi whakamatala loi ko mafola halo heo pe kau ki he huhu malu'i COVID. Ko ngahi whakaukau whaingofua eni ke tokoni ki a te koe ki ke lawatala ai whakamatala o kuloi. Ruaki siofi whakalelei. Eke pe o kungali Falala'anga nai e whakamatala. Ko whakamatala ko ni, ko ne hau miha taha taukei, ai lama ke tokoni o ta ofi e mafola ai ngahi whakamatala loi, a ki hana wakai ki mua, pe a ke toki tufaki, pe wahe ia I he ope.